Let's get real. Even the strongest pitches face pushback. Here's what you might hear and what it really means. When you hear it's too expensive, they are saying, I don't understand the value yet. When they say, let's wait until next quarter, it means I don't see urgency. Can't we just patch what we have? Translates to, I don't understand the risk of doing nothing. These aren't deal breakers. They are signs that you need to reframe. We are about to walk through exactly how to do it. When objections come up, don't panic. Use the three-part framework. First, acknowledge. Start with empathy. That's a valid concern. Then, second, reframe. Shift the perspective. Instead of seeing this as a cost, let's talk about what we are losing by not doing it. Then quantify. Drop the data. We lost $15,000 to downtime last quarter. This prevents that. You are not arguing, you are guiding. You are showing the cost of inaction, and that's one of the most persuasive tools in your belt. So, let's test your skills. Take a moment to respond to these three classic objections using the framework we just covered. We don't have the budget for this. Second, let's revisit this next year. Third, can't we just fix the current system? For each one, walk through. First, acknowledge. I get it, budget is tight. Then reframe. But this tool actually saves us more than it costs. Then quantify. $12,000 invested saves $25,000 in year 1 and $50,000 over 2. So this is the budget battlefield, and these are your moves. The more you practice now, the sharper you will be when it matters the most. Before you step into that next pitch meeting, take a breath and run through this final checklist. Have I clearly defined the business problem? Is the solution short, simple, and non-technical? Did I show ROI or risk reduction with real numbers? Am I speaking the CEO's language, not IT jargon? Have I ended with a confident and specific ask? If you can check all 5 boxes, congratulations. You are not just ready to present, you are ready to win. Now it's your turn. Here's your challenge. Build a 5-slide pitch using the framework we have covered. Keep it short, focused, and ROI driven. These slides should include title, business problem, tech solution, ROI or risk avoided, and fifth, final ask. Practice it, record yourself, share it with a peer or mentor. The more you pitch, the more confident you become. Think of this as your rehearsal before the real thing. And if you need feedback, we are always happy to help. Congratulations! You have made it to the finish line. You have learned how to translate IT projects into business wins, structure a pitch that executives actually understand, handle objections like a strategist, and build confidence that commands respect in any room. But don't forget to grab your bonus resources, an ROI calculator, a budget pitch checklist, and proposal worksheet. If this course helped you win approval, tell me your story. I'd love to hear it. Until then, go win your next budget. You have got the tools, the strategy, and the mindset. Let's make IT the powerhouse it deserves to be. Thank you.